we're gonna make a wave. Not a wave like in bye-bye wave, but a wave in crocheting. And this is how we do it. We need to know the basic stitches, like the single crochet, your half double crochet, your double crochet, and your treble or triple crochet, however you want to call it. In my sweater, the warm in waves, I start my first 3 stitches with half double crochets, and I also end with 3 half double crochets. The reason why I do that is because it's nicer when you sew the panels together. It will not leave big gaps. So here we go. We start with the 3 half double crochets. 1, 2. In the 3rd stitch, we make our half double crochet. This already counts for 1, so we need 1 more. Half double crochet. So these count for 3 half double crochets. Now we start working on the wave. We'll start with the treble crochet. We make 2 of those. This is 1. Wrap around, wrap around. Next stitch, your 2nd treble crochet. And after that we go to the double crochet. Wrap around, next stitch, double crochet, next stitch, double crochet, next stitch, half double crochet, next one, half double crochet. Now we go 3 single crochets. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3 single crochets, and we start building up again. A real wave, a half double crochet, the 2nd half double crochet, a double crochet, the 2nd double crochet, and now we're going to make 3 treble crochets. This is your first one. Here's your second one. Third treble crochet. Back to the double crochets. 2 of them. 1 double crochet. Your 2nd double crochet. 2 half double crochets. This is 1. This is 2. And then we're going to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, followed by 2 half double crochets. 2 double crochets. This is 1. Here's your second one. We're nearing the end. At the end of the row, you make 2 treble crochets. This is 1. This is 2. And then you have 1, 2, 3 chain stitches left. Exactly the ones you need to have your 3 half double crochets to end your row with. Like I said, we start and we end the row with 3 half double crochets. Now if you look, you can see how you have a wave going. So we now go to the 2nd row. Now we're going to the 2nd row. You chain 1, you turn, and now we're going to go in the back loops only. In every single stitch you make a single crochet. single crochet, back loop only. Now there's people that make the second row in a wave also, so the waves connect. I make mine with a single crochet back loop only between the waves. The reason why I do this is because it gives you a nice, easier, cleaner look of how the waves look. You can kind of already see it like this. You'll see it better in the next row. So we just continue this row in the single crochet back loop only, just in every stitch that you have in your first row. As a matter of fact, the rest of the pattern, all your stitches are made in the back loops only, just to give it that nicer, neater look. I'll meet you at the end of the row. Okay, we've gotten to the end of the row, second row. This is also the back, or what you can call the wrong side of your cardigan. See, this is the right side, nice and neat. This is the wrong side. The end of row 2. You've done all your single crochet back loops only. Chain 1, turn around, and now you're going to make your first 3 half double crochets to start off your row again. Row 3. 1, 2, 3 half double crochets. Now you go 2 single crochets back loop only. And why do we do 2 single crochets? Because we had 2 treble crochets right here. Now we always want to make sure that your treble crochets, on top of there you always have your single crochets, and on single crochets you have your treble crochets. That way you have your wave. So you have your 2 single crochets back loop only. They are followed by 2 half double crochets, again back loop only, and you go for your 2 double crochets. This is 1 and this is 2 back loop only. Now here you had your 1, 2, 3 single crochets, which means now you're gonna make your 1, 2, 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3 treble crochets. So you can tell that it's waving the opposite wave of what you did in your first row. These treble crochets are followed by 2 double crochets back loop only. Your 2 double crochets are followed by your 2 half double crochets back loop only. And now you've got your 1, 2, 3 treble crochets. You're making your 1, 2, 3 single crochets back loop only, followed by, you got it, your 2 half double crochets back loop only, 2 double crochets back loop only, and there we go for the trebles again. 1 treble crochet back loop only, 2 treble crochet, and your third one is right here. 2 double crochets back loop only, 2 half double crochets back loop only, 2 single crochets back loop only. They're on top of the 2 treble crochets back loop only of row 1, and you finish your row with 1, 2, and 3 single crochets, and that's the end of row 3. See how it goes? Just really nice like this. We've got one more row to show you, and then I'm sure you know how to get the hang of it. So now we're at the end of row 3. We chain 1, we turn, and row 4 will be the same as the second row. You single crochet, back loop only in all your stitches. And this is how your wave is going to continue. It's a wave after wave after wave. It just makes you want to go to the beach and jump in the ocean. It's really a nice color too. Soothing, relaxing, tranquil. There you go. Single crochet, back loop only. I'm gonna have to go all the way to the end of this row. So your even rows are made of the wave pattern, and your uneven rows, oh, I'm saying it wrong. Your uneven rows, 1, 3, 5, 7, they're made of your wave pattern, and your even rows, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., they're made of single crochets, back loops only. So now we've gotten to the end of your 4th row, and again, this is the back. You can see a very big difference, and this is your front right here. Wave 1, wave 2, and this goes on and on and on and on till you've got an ocean full of waves. No, till you have your whole cardigan finished. This is the pattern of the Warm in Waves cardigan.